Yes, this is an evidence of the blood that this trap was able to get. And you can see there's blood all over the place. I was able to trap one of the rats that was seriously injured. A very big one at that matter. So guys, killing rodents and destroying them before they destroy my feeds. That big thing there. Look at that. Look at that big rat. Just a live big rat. It's not dead yet. But I think the rat ate the stuff that I gave him, because I had to poison the food. So I think that is what is making him uncomfortable. So look for a way